Antarctica. Antarctica doesn't have its own flag like other countries, but there's a special flag that represents it. This flag is white with a blue background and a map of Antarctica in the middle. It shows the peaceful nature of the continent and its importance to science and exploration. Location. Antarctica is at the very bottom of our planet, surrounding the South Pole. It is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent. Antarctica is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. Unlike other continents, it doesn't have any countries or cities. Source of the name. The name Antarctica comes from the Greek words anti, opposite, and arctikos, of the Arctic. So it means opposite of the Arctic. This name suits Antarctica well because it is located at the opposite end of the Earth from the Arctic. Main areas. There are no cities in Antarctica, but there are important research stations where scientists live and work. Some of these stations are McMurdo Station. This station is the largest in Antarctica. It is run by the United States and is a hub for scientific research and exploration. Amundsen-Scott South Pole Station. This station is located right at the South Pole. It is also run by the United States and helps scientists study the stars, the climate, and much more. Concordia Station. This station is run by France and Italy together. It is one of the most isolated places on Earth, perfect for studying the effects of extreme conditions on the human body and the environment. Countryside. The landscape of Antarctica is like no other place on Earth. It is covered almost entirely by ice. There are huge glaciers, icy mountains, and vast plains of snow. In the summer, some areas near the coast become ice-free and show rocky ground. There are also many icebergs floating in the surrounding ocean. Animals. Even though it is very cold, some animals live in Antarctica. You can find penguins, seals, and many kinds of birds. The most famous animals are the emperor penguins and the Weddell seals. These animals have special adaptations to survive in the icy waters and freezing temperatures. People. People who come to Antarctica are usually scientists or researchers. They stay in research stations and study many things like the climate, the stars, and the animals. Tourists also visit Antarctica, but they don't stay for long periods. Language. Since there are no native people in Antarctica, there is no official language. The scientists and researchers who come from different countries speak their own languages. However, English is commonly used for communication among international teams. Food. People in Antarctica eat food that is shipped from their home countries. Since it is so cold, fresh food is hard to get, so they often eat canned, dried, or frozen food. They also eat a lot of high-energy foods to keep warm. Famous places. Mount Erebus. This is an active volcano located on Ross Island. It is one of the few volcanoes in Antarctica and is famous for its lava lake. Ross Ice Shelf. This is a massive ice shelf, the largest one in Antarctica. It is an important area for scientific research. South Pole. The South Pole is one of the most famous places in Antarctica. It is the southernmost point on Earth and has a special marker to show where it is. Antarctica is a unique and magical place, full of ice and snow, and home to amazing animals and incredible research stations. It is a land of extremes where scientists from all over the world come together to learn more about our planet. Even though it is far away and very cold, Antarctica holds a special place in the hearts of those who love adventure and discovery.
Club baby, it's the perfect place for me. Under the sun, learning is fun when we sing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more.